Once again, you are most welcome. Today too, we are looking at the functions of the full frontline AD or DD units under the Education Directorate or the District Education Directorate, the 4 units that was created under the 1987 educational reforms. These units, their functions, and we need to rightly know them before we go and write our promotion exams. Smash on the subscribe button and subscribe. Right after that, like the video, leave your comments in the comment section, and see us in our next video. So let's jump into it. So we're looking at the Human Resource Management and Development Unit, what it does or the functions that it performs. One of the functions that it performs is in charge of the posting of teachers, those who have come straight from college, those who have gone on study leave, and those who want transfers are in the hands of the human resource. So one of the functions is posting newly trained teachers in consultation with the district director. Then 2, training and staff development is also in the hands of the human resource units, that they need to train the human resource in the district, organizing workshop, and the rest are in the hands of this unit. Then the next one is ensuring staff welfare. As we mentioned it in the previous video, the welfare of the staff is in the hands of the human resource unit. Then another is responsible for the health education programs, that is in the hands of the chef. This officer is under this unit, and so the health education of learners and teachers are in the hands of this unit. Then processing application for maternity leaves are also in the hands of this unit, so be very careful with this. Then study leaves and study leave with pay or study leave without pay are also in the hands of this human resource management and development unit that we need to know. Then handling of official correspondence referred by the district director is also in the hands of this unit, so be very careful with it. Then another responsibility that it handles is handling of matters concerning the second cycle institutions in the district are also in the hands of this. Then handling of promotions below the rank of principal is also in the hands of the human resource management. They promote the lower ranks personnel in the district or the district directorate of the education, so it's in the hands. Then selecting and interview for best teacher awards is also in the hands of the human resource management and development unit. Get to know them. Then performing any other duties that are assigned by the district director is also very important. Then let's look at the next unit that is so much important in the Education Directorate, is also the supervision and monitoring, or monitoring and supervision or inspection. What does it do? It conducts intensive and follow-up inspections to ensure that effective teaching and learning goes on in your various schools. So the CISOs that come to your various schools to supervise you or to inspect your work are in the hands of the monitoring and supervision. Then conducted special or specific assignment or assessment tests, like test admission is in the hands of the monitoring and supervision. So performance monitoring tests, criterion reference tests, and the rest are in the hands of the monitoring and supervision. Get to know them before you go and write the exams. Then marking and analyzing results of the assessment is also in the hands of this unit. They are very, very important. Then the next functions that it performs is that it writes reports on the inspections and the tests that goes on in the various schools by the CISOs and the rest to the Directorate for consideration. We need to look at them. Very, very important. Then organizing district teacher support services to ensure that effective and efficient teaching of topics that the teachers may encounter difficulties in this area. So organizing workshops for teachers is also in the hands of the monitoring and evaluation. It's very important. Then another thing that does is organizing in-service training programs, as I already said. So in-service program being organized in the circuit, in the schools, in the whole district are in the hands of the monitoring and supervision. They will try to know the lapses, the challenges that the teachers are facing. Then they will organize workshops on them, then try to update the knowledge of the teachers. So it is in the hands of monitoring and supervision. Then the last performance, or the last thing, or the least thing that is also adds to its functions is perform any other duties assigned by the district director. Any duty that the district director finds is so deemed fit for this unit to perform is being done. So these are the two units that we have looked at. Follow us in the next video and see the other functions of the other units. Thank you. Smash the like button. Don't forget to put your comment in the comment section for us to know your concern. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.